Go give who? This is a truly chocolate marble mix, right?
Thank helping you.
You are helping me so much, Hopper.
And me do those ones.
So we don't have
chocolate.
enough. We don't have enough chocolate for those. Those ones will stay white, and then these ones will be chocolate and vanilla. That'll be like marble, right? You want to lick it?
No, this one.
You want to lick that?
Yeah.
Is it good? CJ's birthday cake good? Ooh, look at that. There's the chocolate.
Oh, not the chocolate here.
And there is the butter, and there is the icing. Let's say happy birthday, CJ. Can you say that? Say it to the camera. No. You funny guy. Say happy birthday, CJ.
Mom, I want it.
You want the butter?
Yeah.
But first you gotta say happy birthday, CJ.
Happy birthday, DJ.